This is two Indian teams making their very first time in Esports World Cup, and they make it to the grand finals. I want to talk to you, Shoto. We've been seeing your family being here. They've been trying to support you. They have been lifting every phone and recording every bit of your performance. कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
बढ़िया लग रहा है, लाइक अच्छा ही लग रहा है बस.
He's saying, I am feeling good. He's a man of few words, just like how Bani was. But you have to break this down. From starting off yesterday, 2 booyahs you ended up managing getting, right? And today you had another challenge. You had a score being reset. You had to do it all over again. वो आपने कैसे किया? How did you pull that off?
लाइक हम लोग ने जब कल 2 बुया मारे, हमें पता था कल की क्योंकि लॉबी अच्छी थी, तो हमने कल 2 बुया मार के हमें कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था कि कल कर ही लेंगे क्वालिफाई. तो हमने कल मोमेंटम क्रिएट किया और आज कर लिए क्वालिफाई.
He says that yesterday's 2 booyah gave them the momentum. They knew the confidence that they had yesterday will be carried over today, and that's how they made it happen today, and that's how they make it to the grand finals. But I want to ask these young guns from SATUL Esports, when you started all the way back in February, that's when I remember you guys from all the way there, making it to a LAN, playing Asia Invitationals, and now you're standing at Esports World Cup 2026 Paris, and you've made it to the grand finals. How does it feel? कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि अभी 6 मंथ पहले ही हम कुछ नहीं थे, लाइक हमें कोई जानता तक नहीं था, और वहाँ से होके अभी यहाँ तक डायरेक्ट TWC फाइनलिस्ट, तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है. और अभी न्यू स्टेज के लिए, नेक्स्ट स्टेज के लिए तो और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ.
He says that 6 months back, nobody knew them, who they were. They were just somebody in the circuit, somebody in the lobby, some underdogs trying to take away the names for the other ones. But now they step up on a stage and looks unbelievable. ये ज़रूर पूछना चाहूँगा, we ended up seeing, right, Tag getting booyahs, momentum build हो चुका था, they had everything going for them. But for you guys, what was the change? What made you believe that there is a possibility? Because you didn't have Prince here, you had Noor coming in as a joinee. So with the new joinee, how did you make this happen? कैसे हुआ ये?
कुछ नहीं, लाइक हम पे फायर पावर तो बहुत पहले से था और बहुत अच्छा था, अभी भी बहुत अच्छा फायर पावर था. तो बस हमें आइजलिंग की नीड थी, पर इस लॉबी पे ज़्यादा आइजलिंग की नीड नहीं हुई. हम बस ट्राई कर रहे थे कि कहीं जाए, मारे, बस यही ट्राई कर रहे थे कि एलिमिनेशन से हमारा हो जाए.
Okay, he says he needed an IGL. That's what the main intention was, which we were also talking back in our panels as well, missing Prince. But in this circuit, all they had to do was play to their gut, play to the game that they know really well, and that is none other than finding those eliminations one after another. Keep pushing it further, and they've managed to do it here, and they've managed to qualify. But before letting both of you giants go out, because you've made a mark for India out there, I want last few words for your opponents tomorrow. You have the 8 who's already standing. तो उनको क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
सर कुछ बोलना तो नहीं है, क्या ही बोले उन्हें. लाइक हम कॉन्फिडेंट है, देखते हैं अब क्या होता है.
I don't want to say anything is what he says. I am confident about my game, and that's what I am going to take my A game tomorrow, is what Shoto says for Team Apex Gaming and SATUL Esports Troll. Tomorrow, big day, grand finals, champion rush. What do you want to say to your opponents? क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
कुछ नहीं, हम रेडी हैं, बस इस टाइम इंडिया रेडी है.